So guys, I got this MacBook M2 Air 15-inch model, midnight blue color. Previously I had MacBook M2 Pro 13-inch touch bar model, which you might have seen in my other videos. So practically I have upgraded in some areas and I have downgraded in some areas. How is my experience? I will discuss this in this video. So first of all, upgrades which I am feeling. Obviously, the first upgrade is my screen size. So it is 15-inch screen. I can see more in the pages while browsing. If you can see, I'm opening the apple.com. There is more room to see and it is easier to read and browse and consume media. What about the trackpad? So if you see, it is a quite large trackpad, ample of the space to use the fingers here and there to swipe around. It is a tactile feedback trackpad. You can feel the tactile feedback after the latest upgrade. One more thing which I have noticed is the quality of the display. The quality of the display is vibrant and better than the previous one. Although it has a notch there, because of the notch, the menu bar is on the top side and it stays there, and if you turn the full screen on, the black bar covers the notch area and your app it starts from wasting the notch area. That is the thing which I think Apple needs to upgrade in the future. Apart from that small glitch, what I can say, the screen quality, as I've mentioned, is far better. The sound quality, although it is a 15-inch model, the sound quality of this MacBook is also better than the MacBook Pro 13 inches. I'm sure the MacBook Pro 15-inch models have better display and sound, but I'm comparing the 13-inch model of MacBook Pro. Battery life. So guys, the battery life on this MacBook is obviously less than the MacBook M2 Pro because of the big screen, I think, and maybe it has a smaller battery. Apart from that, if we go on the performance side, so there is a downgrade. It doesn't has a active cooling system. It only relies on this aluminum frame. So the MacBook is generally hot while editing videos or editing or doing graphic intensive or CPU intensive workload. You can feel your MacBook getting hot. The performance, I have not seen any kind of a thermal throttling or anything. It has 8 GB of RAM, that my MacBook Pro has 16 GB of RAM, but I have hardly noticed any difference between 8 and 16 GB. One more area which I think what is an upgrade is the camera, the front camera. It is better than, it is 1080p and the old cam was 720p. What I have seen, there is a software update available, Mac OS 26.1. So I will upgrade this Mac OS and then I will let you guys know that how was the experience. So coming out to the ports, it's an upgrade. I already had only these two USB-C ports and now I have got this MagSafe port. So it's an upgrade. I got a separate charging port. I have a PC with me here lying down, as you can see in the background. The PC is i5 9th generation processor with the RX 6400 graphic card, but the web pages are loading snappier on this MacBook. It is because of the Apple Silicon, might be. Using this is a very sleek and very comfortable experience while you are typing on the keyboard, while browsing the internet, listening to music, watching movies, anything. It is a very sleek and comfortable experience.